Most travelers get this wrong. They think all travel insurance is the same, but the surprising truth is the right policy can save you thousands and give peace of mind when things go wrong. I recently tested World Trips travel insurance, and here's my full experience. World Trips is designed for international travelers and offers comprehensive coverage, including medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost baggage, and even adventure sports in some plans. What stood out to me was the clarity of their policy options. You can choose coverage based on trip duration, destination, and level of protection, from basic to premium. Signing up is straightforward. You just enter your travel dates, destination, and age, and World Trips calculates the cost instantly. I chose the mid-tier plan, which included medical coverage up to $500,000 and trip interruption coverage, which felt sufficient for my trip to Europe. One thing most people overlook is claim processing. I had to make a small claim for delayed luggage. The process was surprisingly fast. Submission was online, and I received reimbursement in just a few days. Customer support was responsive, with live chat available for quick questions, which made the experience stress-free. Coverage also extends to unexpected travel issues, like emergency evacuation or political unrest. This is something I rarely see in standard insurance, and it gives extra confidence when traveling internationally. Pricing is competitive. While premium plans can be pricey, the level of coverage and support justifies the cost, especially for long trips or destinations with higher medical expenses. In conclusion, World Trips travel insurance provides solid protection for international travelers. The clear options, fast claim process, and comprehensive coverage make it a reliable choice. If you want to travel without worrying about emergencies, it's worth considering. Subscribe for more travel tips and honest reviews of travel insurance and other essential travel tools.